So guys, today we're gonna be crashing this knex helicopter. It doesn't fly, but it's still a helicopter. So the first way I think about destroying it is by throwing it. That didn't break too badly. Only like a few pieces came off. Still works like a helicopter should. No. Let's see if they're trying to break it. Like this helicopter. Not too much. A few pieces came off, but it's okay. I also have an idea for just throw it as hard as I can. See how it works. Oh, it flipped. Oh, I flipped it. Yay. That flipped pretty good. What if now I have an idea. If I throw a bunch of ducks at this train, at this helicopter, if it would break. Let's see. I missed. We just do that again. I missed again. I suck at ducks. Get a new handful of ducks. Just get just absolutely destroyed. Pretty good. And yeah, the wigs. What now? What if I take this tall tower? I feel like it's gonna hit it with this thing. It broke. Jesus Christ, this thing's strong. I still got one more idea left. By the way, ignore the noise. That's just construction outside. What if I throw this helicopter down the stairs? Yeah, that got destroyed. Yeah. I'm not even gonna go get that. I'm just gonna leave that down there. Just leave it down there. Goodbye.